Lessons learned. This video is based on a series of IMCA and IADC safety flashes. When maintenance work needs to take place at height, the risk of a dropped object incident increases. Items or components may need to be removed. If not secured properly, they have the potential to fall and damage equipment or injure others who may be working below. Any number of factors can cause an item to drop, but the most common cause is human error, with the item being knocked or accidentally kicked. The further a fixture falls, the more danger workers below are exposed to. Any item falling, no matter its weight, can have serious repercussions. In this instance, an 8-kilogram pipe falling 6.5 meters could result in a fatality if it were to strike a worker. How could this have been avoided? To work out how to prevent such an incident occurring, it is necessary to look at the hierarchy of controls. The first port of call should be analyzing whether elimination is possible. While there is no way to avoid specific maintenance being undertaken at height, there are opportunities to eliminate the risks by correctly storing and securing any loose items. If elimination is not possible for any reason, engineering controls is an alternative option that would significantly reduce the risk of a dropped object incident. A modular barrier system is one example of engineering controls that can prevent drops. Items can still become knocked or dislodged, but would be prevented from falling by the barrier. Another option to mitigate risks is putting administrative controls in place. By marking out areas underneath where work is taking place as red zones and having toolbox talks to ensure workers are aware, can prevent any injuries should an object fall. Toolbox talks and red zones should be standard practices no matter what other steps have been taken to reduce the risks, ensuring workers are informed of potential dangers ahead of time. By taking action to prevent a dropped object incident, you keep your workplace safe and protect your people.